Archer is in it for the long haul, having recently joined forces with the U.S. Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, and the Department of Transportation, DOT, to announce a groundbreaking five-country alliance. This partnership, which includes the United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, and New Zealand, aims to streamline the certification and safe deployment of eVTOL aircraft globally. The alliance, announced at the Paris Air Show, has the potential to create a seamless pathway for Archer's Midnight aircraft to enter the skies of these countries once it obtains type certification in the U.S. from the FAA. This development is a significant step towards bringing Midnight to global markets, with Archer's founder and CEO Adam Goldstein expressing his enthusiasm for the industry's momentum. According to Goldstein, the administration has made it clear that leadership in advanced aviation is a priority for President Trump and the United States. This alliance not only paves the way for the international deployment of Midnight, but also underscores the importance of collaboration between regulatory and industry leaders. Goldstein emphasized that within this framework, Archer will achieve its goal of dominance in eVTOL. The FAA's recent issuance of final airworthiness criteria for Archer's Midnight aircraft marks another crucial milestone in the type certification process. This approval lays out the standards the regulator will use to gauge the aircraft's ability to integrate into U.S. airspace, bringing Midnight closer to taking passengers into the sky in the coming years. With industry leaders like Joby Aviation, Beta Technologies, and Wisk also supporting this initiative, the five-country alliance is poised to accelerate the global deployment of eVTOL aircraft. Archer also signed a deal with Indonesia's PT Industri Ketahanan Nasional, IKN, to introduce up to 50 Midnight aircraft, valued at $5 million each, to the Southeast Asian archipelago. This partnership marks Indonesia as the third market in Archer's Launch Edition global rollout, following deals in the UAE and Ethiopia. Under the non-binding agreement, IKN will deploy an initial fleet of Midnight aircraft for air taxis, military logistics, cargo delivery, and environmental surveillance in and around the new capital, Ibu Kota Nusantara. An $18 million pilot program will provide pilots, technicians, software, and booking tools, and the partners will collaborate with Indonesia's Directorate General of Civil Aviation to develop regulations and infrastructure ahead of launch. This deal validates Archer's blueprint for global commercial air mobility ahead of full FAA certification, reducing expansion risks and reinforcing its first-mover advantage. Archer's recent $850 million capital raise has boosted its liquidity to approximately $2 billion, enabling the company to scale production, with 250 Midnights slated for 2025, and build out charging and vertiport networks. Beyond its commercial launch timeline, Archer Aviation is securing other business in advance and diversifying its portfolio, mainly via its defense business quickly building momentum, with the company strategically pivoting towards defense contracts as commercial air taxi deployment faces extended timelines. This shift aligns with industry trends and presents opportunities for strategic partnerships, such as its collaboration with Anduril Industries to develop hybrid-fueled military aircraft. Archer has already secured its first major defense contract with the U.S. Air Force, worth up to $142 million, to provide quieter, cost-effective eVTOLs for supply delivery and non-combat applications. The company's partnership with the U.S. Air Force positions it to capture immediate revenue while commercial markets mature. Additionally, Archer has forged a foundational AI partnership with Palantir to develop next-generation aviation software, enhancing manufacturing scalability, movement control, and route planning. Archer's commercial plans are also progressing well, with the company announcing plans for a New York City air taxi network with United Airlines and securing government backing and regulatory approvals for its UAE deployment, set for late 2025. The company has ended Q1 2025 with over $1 billion in cash, providing a substantial runway for its ambitious commercialization plans. With a strong foundation in place, Archer is focused on increasing sales from a forecast $144 million in 2026 to $1.36 billion in 2029, and expects to turn profitable in 2029 with earnings per share of 33 cents. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.